Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva offline. While Canva is a fantastic online design platform, it doesn't offer a direct offline editing mode. However, there are several effective strategies to prepare your designs and assets for when you don't have an internet connection. We'll explore how to download your creations and essential elements, ensuring you can continue working or presenting without interruption. This approach helps you maintain productivity, even in low connectivity environments. To use your Canva designs offline, the most straightforward method is to download them. You can save your projects in various formats like PDF, JPG, or PNG. A PDF is excellent for presentations or documents, while JPG and PNG are perfect for images. Once downloaded, these files are accessible on your computer or mobile device without an internet connection. Remember, while you can view them, any further editing would require a separate, compatible offline application. Beyond full designs, you can also prepare individual assets for offline work. This means downloading specific images, icons, and other graphic elements you might need. Create a dedicated folder on your computer to store these downloaded assets. This way, if you're working in an offline design program, you'll have your essential building blocks readily available. It's a smart way to ensure your creative flow isn't interrupted by a lack of internet access. For true offline editing capabilities, consider using dedicated desktop design software. Programs like Adobe Photoshop, GIMP, or Inkscape offer robust features that work entirely without an internet connection. You can export your elements from Canva and then import them into these offline tools for further manipulation. This gives you complete control and flexibility, ensuring your design process continues seamlessly, regardless of your internet availability. It's a powerful backup strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.